Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by mounting a sharp lens and powering on the D3200 so you can immediately set focus behavior. Once done, place the mode dial on aperture priority, shutter priority, program, or manual if you need exposure control. Avoid full auto because it limits settings. Make sure the lens and camera are both set to AF rather than manual. Then choose AFS for still subjects or AFC for moving subjects. This initial setup lets the camera acquire focus predictably and quickly. Now you pick the focusing area that matches your scene so the D3200 knows where to prioritize. First, choose single point AF for precise subjects or dynamic area AF when the subject may move. You do this with the info display and arrow pad. Next, position the active focus point over the subject and half-press the shutter to engage the AF system. You'll see the focus indicator light or hear the confirmation beep. If you need a different framing, lock focus then recompose while keeping the shutter half. Finish by capturing your image after focus locks. Press the shutter fully when the camera confirms focus. If conditions are dim or the subject moves, switch to AFC, open the aperture wider, or raise ISO to help the camera acquire focus faster. If the lens hunts or can't lock, switch to manual focus and use live view plus 3x or greater magnification to fine-tune sharpness yourself. That troubleshooting step gets you sharp shots when autofocus struggles. Practice the transition so you stay efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.